step-by-step guide on how you can change zone in Walmart Spark. You want to open up the Spark Driver app. Launch the Spark Driver app on your smartphone. Then navigate to Account Settings. Tap on the menu icon, which usually is in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Settings or Account depending on the version of the app. Change zone/location in the Settings or Account section. Look for Zone or Preferred Delivery Area. Select Change Zone or a similar option to update your delivery area. You will be able to choose a new delivery zone from the list of available zones in your region. Confirm the change after selecting your new zone. Confirm the change. The app may ask for confirmation before switching to the new zone. Once confirmed, you will start receiving delivery requests in the new area. Contact Spark Driver Support if needed. If you're unable to change your zone through the app, you can reach out to Spark Driver Support for assistance, and you can do that by opening up the app, going to the Help or Support section, and send a request asking to change your delivery zone. Alternatively, you can email or call Spark Driver Support for further help. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.